everyone, welcome back to my channel GV Envisions, and for this video will be the part 2 of creating a floor plan in AutoCAD. So are you ready? Let's get started. So in the part 1, we created this model here, and now we will be continuing it here by putting the fixtures, assigning the doors and windows, and at the same time putting the dimensions and the column as well. Alright, so if you didn't watch the part 1, the link is in our description so that you will be guided on how to create this floor plan. Okay, first let's start with the column. Okay, so let's have a rectangle command, or the rec, REC, enter, and then click anywhere, and then make sure to type the command 0.25, comma, 0.25, and then enter. Now you can see here that this is now the column. Okay, so next is let us go to layer, LA, enter, and then let us have a layer for the column. Say for example, column, and then close this one, select this object, and then go to the layer, and then select column. Then you can have it color, let's say for example, let's have this one, or the blue one. Okay, then okay. Next is let us have a line in the center to have the indication. Then copy this one, select the object, and then let us now assign the proper column. So make sure that your column is aligned to one another. For example, this one, you can have it here, this one, then next is this one. You can also have it here. Say for example, this one. So the putting the columns is quite tricky. So that's why you need to adjust some parts of your floor plan, in order for it to fit your column. Let us just have this as the as is for the column. So next one here is we will now be having the dimensions. Okay, so for the dimensions, you just need to type DLI, that stands for dimension linear, enter, and then make sure to select this one. Then you have it here, 2.55. Then how about this one? You can also have here this, have here 4.5. Then here, okay. So again, just press DLI, stands for dimension linear, enter, and then select, click, right? For example, this one, and then this one, then this. Okay, so again, this is in meters. All right. Next is this one, this, 2, and then this one, and then this one. Okay. Next is let us have this, and next, then next. Right. Okay. Now let us have the total width, DLI, corner to corner, then 8.2, and then here we have here total here is 9.55. Okay. Now, say for example, you want your numbers to be bigger. You can edit the dimension by going to DDIM, then enter. Then you can click modify. Then go to text. You can have here, say for example, 250. Then okay. Then close. Let us see. Okay. So maybe this is much visible already. Okay. So let us now go to layer. Let us layer those objects. So for example, this one. Say for example, this is dimensions. And then let us select everything, since this will be the dimensions. Okay, and then we will be having it dimensions, and then we will be selecting a color for this one. For example, we will have it red. Let's have it red. Okay, or we can have just it yellow na lang. Okay, so for example, yellow. Okay, so say for example that one, or you can just have it as is, no, just have it white to make it more clear. Okay. Okay, next is you also have the now let us have the text for the each of the lines of the rooms. But before that, let us now upload some fixtures. Okay, so how to upload the fixtures? Okay, just press I in your keyboard, insert, enter, and then now go to, and then this window will appear. Go to this part and then click the browse block libraries, and then next is go to your this PC. Okay, then go to C, your program C, and go to program files, and then look for the Autodesk. Okay, so this one here, the Autodesk. Then look for the AutoCAD 2021, and then go to sample here, then go to NUS, then go to Design Center, and then here you can see several fixtures that you can insert. For example, let us just limit this one to the home space planner. Okay, then open. Then you can see here, you can just click anywhere, and then you can see here the different fixtures. Okay, so all we need to do is to select anything. For example, this one, bed. Let us click this one. Let us drag this one here. Okay, so next is you can rotate, RO, then this one, then move. If it's too big for you, or you can just turn off the ortho so that you can place it anywhere. Then you can just have to scale it, scale, in order for you to, okay, for example, that one. Then move that one to this part. Right. Next, you can also have, this will serve as your, say for example, this one. This one can serve as your cabinet. So say for example, let's put it here. Okay. Then let us have, okay, for example, this one. Okay. Next is we can also have your dining, your sofa. Alright, so let us can just put your sofa here. Okay, this one. You can just also scale this. Okay, that one. Then you can also create another object. Copy this one. And then you can rotate. Okay, so this one. So say for example, this will be your sofa. Right? Right, so now that will be your sofa. Okay, next is let's have your, say for example, what else? You can have your dining. Okay, so dining area. Say for example, you can put it here. You can just scale this one, SC, and then go to this part. Say for example, okay, for example, this one. I think this is quite bigger. So let's have it this part. And also this one. Okay. And we can move it here. Okay, so anyways, that is just an estimate. Okay. Next is we can also have your... Okay, so I think that is okay. So let us now go back to your browse block libraries. Let us go to, say for example, a house designer, and open, then the house designer, then you can see here a toilet. Okay, so you can just have to drag it here, so will serve as your toilet. Okay, you can just scale this one because it's quite too big. Okay, for example, this one, and then right, then copy this one to this part. Right. Oh, sorry. Oh no, sorry. This is for toilet, so for bathroom. So this is just for the toilet. Okay, so next let us search once again. Let us have, how about the home space planner, heating, hydraulic, kitchens. Okay, how about the kitchens? Okay, let's have the kitchen. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, so let us have it here. Okay, so this is just an example, and then let us have it this one. Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry. Say for example, this one. Then let us move. Okay. Then this one. Alright. So let us just move it quite a little bit. Okay, so this one here, this will be the floor plan already. Now, in order for us also to okay. Now, in order for us also to indicate that this stairs is going upward, we just need to create the arrow by the typing LED, L-E-A-D, and then let's say for example click here, and then go to this part, enter, and then go to text, enter, and then say for example you will be putting up, then enter, then escape, yes. Okay, so this is an indication that your stair is going up. You can also apply it here. So LED, go here, text, then up, then save. Oh, sorry, LED. Okay, you just copy this one up, copy this one and put it here. Right. So you have here the up. Now, say for example, let us now have the indication that this will be your. Let us have the text to indicate that these are your areas. For example, mtext, and then click, and then this will be your bedroom. You can also adjust the size by just pressing it here. For example, this is 0.01, or you can just oh sorry. Okay, again, mtext, then click, then bedroom, then yes. Oh, this is too small. Let us adjust it. Say for example 0.1. Okay, still too small. So let's have it 1. I think it's too big the font. Okay, so let's have it 0.5, or say for example 0.3. Okay, 0.3 would be better. Okay, so this will be your bedroom. Okay, so that's the one. Bedroom. Then let us copy, let us go here. This will be your kitchen, your dining area, your kitchen, this one, select and select. Okay, so this one would be editing this, so we'll have a kitchen, right? Then this one will have it as the toilet. Then this part will have the living area. Okay. Okay, next is this part. Let's have it 0.2. Okay, next is this one. This one will be your. This will serve as the bathroom. Right. Let's have it 0.1. 15. Okay. Right, so this one. So now you have the indications of your rooms. Okay, so this one. Then we can also have it here. Let's copy this one. Let us put it here. Let us indicate that this is your dining area. Alright. Okay, so now we are almost done. We just need to change the color of this text so that you will not be confused. Okay, so this one, say for example, we'll pick the color, this one. Okay, Then the last step here is we'll be indicating the different doors and windows. So that is the last part of our creating the floor plan. Okay, so first is let us create a circle. C for circle. Let us have it here. And then let us have it this one. And then let us create the text. Let us just copy one text here. For example, this one. F8. Then let's have it D1. D1. So that stands for the door 1. Just need to change the color of this one. For example, this magenta. So D1. Okay, so this one. Then we can also change the color. Say for example, again, magenta. So this is D1. That stands for the door 1. How about this one? Okay, this one and this one. That stands as well. This one is for door 2. Door 2. This one is door 3. This one is door 3. Right? And then we can have now the door. This one also will serve as the door 3. Alright. Next is we have now the windows. Okay, so the windows will serve as the W1, W2, and W3. So let's create the door for the windows. We can have just click here the polygon. And then enter the size. 6, let's say 6. And then enter a polygon. 6. And let's have it this one. Right, now let us now go to this, copy this object, this text, and F8. Okay, then we will have it. Okay, so this will be your window 1. Window 1. Okay, this one. Then copy. And let's have it here. I'm sorry, M rather. M. So your window 1 will be, I think this will be your window 1. This one is your window 1. Okay. Window 1. Window 1. Okay. Next is this one. Window 1. And this part here will be your window 2 already. Okay, so this will be your window 2 already. And then same with the other, this will be your window 2 as well. This one. Okay, however, this will be another window. So this will serve as your window 3. No, sorry, this is window 3. Window 3. Let us look at the layer. The layer is window. Yeah, window 2. This is window 2. Okay, so window 2. And this is window 1. Okay, window 1. This is, how about this one? Window 2. Okay, so this is window 2. Next is, how about this one? This is window 3. Right, window 3. Next is, we have here this one. This is window 4. Alright, window 4. Right, then CO. Then this one. Window 4. This one, window 4. Alright, so now we are done creating our floor plan. So we now have our floor plan, and for the next video, we will also be trying to create it in 3D using SketchUp. Alright, so thank you for watching. If you have suggestions, comments, you can just comment here in the below for suggestions of what tutorials that I will be creating next. Okay, so once again, thank you to the 1,100 subscriber of GV Envision. Thank you for your support. God bless and keep safe.